Good morning, everyone. So now we can start our presentation on the machine learning. So please go ahead.
Good morning, sir. Our topic is sales forecasting. My teammate is Aditya Dakte, Nikhil Shinde, and Prajwal Agwan. Now I can share screen. First is introduction. So sales forecasting means predicting how much product or service will be sold in the future. In this project, we use machine learning to analyze past sales data and find patterns or trends. This patterns helps you predict future sales. Next is problem statement. Business often face difficulties in predicting future sales. Accurately poor sales forecasting can lead to problems like overstocking, understocking, and loss of revenue. Traditional forecasting methods may not handle large data or sudden change in trends effectively. Next is objective to collect and analyze past sales data to identify patterns and trends in the sales data to build a machine learning model that can predict future sales, to evaluate the model performance and accuracy. Next is data sets to perform in Nikhil Shinde.
This is the data set. The data set मध्ये some points are given. Date, product ID, store ID, sales quantity, price, promotion, discounts of a customer. Date means we have a selected date of yearly wise, and a second of product ID and the product in the world sold, and the product location to place where product was sold. Sales quantity, the total number of items sold or that income earned. Price means the selling price of each time. Promotion or discount. A discount offer is of discount during the period. When we model use linear regression model to predict the future sales by finding a straight line relationship between sales and time. Two and second, random purpose regressor, a collection of many decision trees thus to together more accurate prediction. XGBoost regression, a powerful
So
boosting this is a powerful boosting
okay,
algorithm that improves the accuracy by learning from errors. This is some result.
okay.
This is the result to year wisely. Year wisely or date. This is a year part of some sales. Or second is the day. Some sales is the what are the price are given to customer and get the output of a fixed strength. To predict the output is a yellow line and some actual price are given and predict whole price in the futures. These are the some advantages. This is the advantage improve accuracy, data driven decision making, time and cost efficiency, better customer satisfaction. There are the key challenges: data quality and availability, feature selection, changing and market dynamics, model is complexity, external factors. This is a slide given to the Aditya.
Future scope of the model is integration into a cloud-based forecasting platform, real-time forecasting, explainable AI, personalized forecasting, and the conclusion of this project is a self forecasting using machine learning plays a circular role in helping business make data-driven decision. optimize resource, and improve overall efficiency by leveraging historical data and advanced algorithms. ML models can identify complex patterns and predict future sales with higher accuracy and traditional methods. Challenges such as data quality, model maintenance, and market volatility exist. Continuous improvements in AI, data processing, and automation are making forecasting system more reliable and scalable. This is the conclusion of this project. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so you have mentioned, Aditya, ki future scope is AI integration. So you are going to do, you are already using AI, then what type of future scope it have for AI integration? You have already involved AI for forecasting. You are on mute.
Use deep learning on hybrid AI models for better insights.
So yes, mention there you are going to use deep learning model because you have already used machine learning model. So to improve their more performance or accuracy, you are going to use deep learning model. Yes, that will be right. Okay, don't use AI integration. Use deep learning model you are going to use. Okay, one thing, and another one is go to the slide model used. Go to the slide number where you have mentioned slide model used. Okay, so can anyone tell me why you have selected these model only? Linear regression, random forest, and XGBoost. Why not other models?
Sir, this model is very simple to understand. Is quickly to buy a customer because linear regression is to precise the future output means predict the future output to
So,
finding a path finding to start a relationship between customer and consumers.
okay. So what do you think? Customer is going to see your machine learning model or he is going to see your product?
Product, sir.
Yes. So don't say it's a simple because of customer. Maybe you can say you can put the idea ki hey, I am using these model to understand which particular model is performing best. If you are using simple model, complex model, and ensemble learning model also, you can correlate them and you can understand which particular model is working best. So according to that, you can prove that ki, this particular model is having the highest efficiency. That's why I'm choosing this particular model. Okay. Okay. So tell me one basic question. Why you have chosen this particular project? How this idea came into your mind?
Sir, because some facing challenges are online to do not predict the future outcomes as soon as quickly possible.
Okay.
And
Okay.
to
You
customer
find
is
out the market challenges. Then I want to know
yes,
again, what is your challenge in doing this particular project? Whenever you are doing this particular project, what are the challenges you have faced?
sir, I have faced the
Yeah, your voice is breaking. Is it like, or you are not speaking? A simple question. What are the challenges you have faced whenever you are doing this particular project?
Sir, incomplete data, sir.
Okay, it's all about difficulties in data set, means proper data set was not available. That is okay. Okay, so superb. Thank you so much